How are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video, we will discuss about physics. Okay, let's first of all let's see what is physics. So the branch of science which deals with natural events and laws of nature is called physics. Okay, so what is physics? Physics is the branch of science. Okay, in which we study about the natural events and laws of nature is called physics. Okay, here natural events means natural events means the event that is done by the nature is known as a natural event, like thundering, lighting. Okay, and for example, when we strike two stones together, okay, so it emits sound, heat, and light. Okay, so all these things, light, heat, and sound, we study in physics. Okay, so known as natural events. Okay, so the branch of science which deals with natural events and laws of nature is called physics. Okay, or you can also define like this, that the branch of science which deals with natural event is called physics. Okay, so or and one or you can also define like this, the branch of science the branch of science which deals with physical quantity is called physics. Okay, or you can also define like this, the branch of science which deals with physical quantity. Okay, here is a new term, that physical quantity. Okay, so what is physical quantity? Let's see what is physical quantity. Physical quantities. What is physical quantities? The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay, the quantity which we can measure are called physical quantities. Like for example, mass. Okay, time, distance, etc. There are many things that we can measure. Okay. So what is physical quantity? The quantities which can be measured, okay, are called physical quantities. Okay. For example, mass, time, distance. Okay. Okay, mass, time, distance, volume, area. Okay. This is known as physical quantity. The quantity which can be measured are called physical quantity, and the quantity which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantity. Okay, so let's see non-physical. What is non-physical quantity? Non-physical Now let's see about non-physical quantity. What is non-physical quantity? Okay. The quantities which cannot be measured, cannot be are called non-physical quantity. Are called non-physical quantities. Okay. So here, what is non-physical quantities? The quantity which cannot be measured. Okay, the quantity which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantity. Like for example, beauty, sweetness, okay, etc. Blackness, whiteness, okay. So, what is non-physical quantity? The quantity which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantities. Okay, like beauty, we cannot measure beauty. Okay, sweetness, whiteness, blackness. Okay, we can only feel. Okay, we cannot measure these things. Okay, and the quantity which can be measured are called physical quantity. Okay, are called physical quantity like mass, time, distance, volume, area. Okay, speed. Okay, force. So all, all these are all we can be measured. Okay, so that's why this is physical quantity. Okay, and the quantity which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantity like whiteness, blackness, beauty, sweetness. Okay, we cannot measure these things. Okay, so I hope you understand till here. Now physical quantities can be classified into three parts. Okay, first one is vector quantities. First one is vector quantity. Second is scalar quantity and tensor quantity. Scalar quantities and last one is tensor quantity. Okay. So physical quantity are classified into three parts. First one is vector quantities, scalar quantities and tensor quantity. Third one is that tensor quantity. Okay.